Okay, so tonight I figured I would go up against an Aegir tank. A lot of Aegir tanks out there now. He is much improved. I'm thinking of sending mine as well. Um, I'm taking, instead of my mono green that I always have, and I have a really good mono green team, I'm going to go 3-2. I'm always preaching 3-2, so I can't be preaching mono, against mono and going 3-2 and then using mono. Boy, I hope I'm not blabbering already. But anyways, this is my new war team. 3 greens, 2 yellows. Again, not the best matchup with Gravemaker there, but this is a war team of mine. You don't always get the best matchups. This is a pretty good one with 3 greens against Aegir, and then 2 yellows against Kiona. So let's just see how it goes. Uh, Nice board to start out. Certainly, I have the 3 greens there on Aegir at the top of the board. At the bottom of the boards, I have yellows and greens. Can't ask for too much better. What I will do though first is I will do the 2 yellows on the bottom of the board near Tarlac, because if I move the greens, that'll take away that yellow matchup, if you see that. So I'm just going to move that. Geez, I even have more greens here. So I do have a purple diamond, if you see that, but since I don't have any purples, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna foul up anything else just for that. I'm actually going to make that green move where I move the green from the blue right by Aegir, because I'll still have the greens up above. So let me do that. Okay, I still have the purple diamond there, but what I'm going to do now to put Aegir away is I'm going to make the green dragon, if you can see that. Okay. Okay, and that killed him there. Now what I have is I have quite a few options. Again, not too many yellows, but I'm going to fire up my greens, use the green dragon, move the green and the blue. That should fire up all my green heroes there, and then I can focus on one side or the other. Now I do have the uh, right side weakened a little bit, but again, the left side is much more dangerous with Gravemaker and Delilah. So I'm going to target them again. Do the defensive down first. Liana to kill Gravemaker. Okay, that always works. Now the good thing is I have Tarlac going, which is going to increase my tile damage ridiculously. So I'm going to make the match up here. Even though one tile hits Delilah, look, took half of her away. And again, I'm going to do the yellow match. That might get June going, because only one tile is going to hit Delilah again. So let me do that. And it did. Now, normally I might go after, Kiona, because she's a hitter, but I really don't want Delilah healing, and she's almost dead. So I'm gonna hit her with June. And again, they had the defensive down from Evelyn. Now, again, all this time I've had purple diamond galore, over here. Why bother? When you have all the on-color matches, just leave it there. It's still here. I'm going to pop it now, probably. But I just want to remove as many tiles as possible. Now, I could move the red and the yellow in the upper right-hand corner, and that would allow three yellows to go down and hit Kiona. But it's now 5-on-2, so I just want to ghost as much as possible, on the left side. And also, I'm just going to click the diamond. I'm not going to make another diamond, because I want the blues to get down and out of there as well. If you can kind of see that move as well. So I'm just going to let me just click this purple diamond and get a bunch of tiles out of the way. Okay, now Kiona hit. That's fine. As you can see, Tarlac still has his buff up, so I'm going to make the 3 greens go down. They're going to do a tremendous amount of damage on Kiona and a little bit on Elkanen. Okay, and now it's pretty much over, so because they fired up again. So defensive down, Again, Elkinen's about to go off, so I'll just target them, even though it's green on green with the defensive down, and then Liana. Again, that's why I use, if you have Frida, if you have Grimm, if you have, King Arthur, the Guardians is coming up, anything like that, just use them. Because when you do a defensive down and a hitter, it's almost all over. So I just did that move. Sorry, I didn't really talk about it, but that was just to make the yellow match. And the yellow on the purple with 2 tiles, it's just too strong. So anyways, there you go. Hope you liked it, and have a good night. Bye.